Hey guys, Nick Brown here, Nick Brown Fishing. Today we're going to do a little bit of something different. We are going to be installing a ram mount X grip. We're going to put this on the console right next to the Lowrance unit. We're going to do a time-lapse video of that. I'm not going to bore you guys with 30 minutes of me screwing screws in and drilling holes and cleaning up my mess afterwards. We're going to mount this vertically so we can go ahead and run a tablet this year. This is a Samsung tablet. It does have its own service, so I don't have to eat up all the you know, internet stuff on my phone. It kind of be its own thing. I also use my phone for hotspots for hotspot for the units also too, so just so I can keep updated and do updates and stuff on them. But I'm gonna run the Active Captain app, so that and the Google Earth Pro. That way I can kind of, and you guys will see how I'm doing it this year. That way I can kind of at night do a little pre-practicing, at home. I can bring this out, sync it with my Garmin unit and download everything right to the Garmin unit. I use my Garmin unit back here for mapping. I also use my Lowrance. I kind of split the screens up a little bit, but I'm going to be using, you know, like I said, the X mount, this 1-inch ball mounts. I'm going to use this little 2-tab mount. I do have an additional one here that's a little bigger, but I think it's too big to go on the side of that thing. It's going to stick out. I want to be able to pop this off of here and take it off and put the X grip and the Samsung unit itself all in the box. I've kind of prematurely, this thing comes in like 30 pieces, so you got to kind of put it together. But I'll kind of show you guys once I get it on there what I'm going to be doing with it. I'm going to try and hold it as tight as I can so it's out of the way, and hopefully this will work out good. It's the first time using a tablet. I see just very few guys doing it, but you know, to my knowledge, I mean, some of them I'm sure don't have it permanently mounted in there. This case that I bought for it, it's called a unicorn beetle, I think is what the name of it is, but it's and it's pretty durable. It's pretty heavy plastic. It's so heavy it almost feels like aluminum, but it's got a rubber gasket seal on it. It's got the rubber seals to hold it up. It's almost like an OtterBox for your phone. So, and it's pretty thin. I mean, I don't know if you guys can see how thin that thing is, but you got a plastic cover on the front side. Probably see my fingerprints all over it. But also this thing doubles. You know, you can set it up at the house like this or like this when you get back. So I guess if I get bored, I can always watch fishing videos while I'm on the water if I ain't catching anything. So, no, I'm just kidding. But anyway, let's get to a time lapse with this thing, and we'll talk a little bit more about it when we get it done.